Develop a proper skincare routine, acne treatments or exfoliants. Hair is an important aspect of your dime-sized amount is enough. Developing a sense of style is a great way to experiment. Makeup can be a fun way for teenagers to express themselves and Hello everyone and welcome back to Glow Up. As a teenager, it can be challenging to navigate the world of beauty and skincare. And with so much information out there, it can be hard to know what's right for you. Unfortunately, many teenage girls make common mistakes when it comes to beauty that can have a negative impact on their appearance and self-esteem. In this video, we will explore some of the most common beauty mistakes that teenage girls make and provide tips on how to avoid them. By understanding these mistakes and learning how to take care of their skin, hair, and nails properly, teenage girls can feel confident and beautiful in their own skin. To help you with that, consider these beauty tips. Mistake number 1: overwashing your face. Teenage girls often have oily skin, which can lead them to wash their face more frequently than necessary. Overwashing your face can lead to dryness, irritation, and other issues. Here are some signs that you may be overwashing your face. Sign number 1: your skin is dry and flaky. If your skin feels tight, dry, or flaky after washing your face, it may be a sign that you're overwashing. Sign number 2: your skin is red and irritated. Overwashing can also cause redness and irritation, especially if you're using a harsh or abrasive cleanser. If your skin feels irritated after washing your face, it may be a sign that you need to cut back. Sign number 3: you're breaking out more often. Overwashing can disrupt the natural balance of your skin, leading to increased oil production and breakouts. If you're noticing more breakouts than usual, it may be a sign that you're overwashing your face. Sign number 4: your skin feels sensitive. Overwashing can make your skin more sensitive to other products, such as moisturizers and makeup. If your skin feels sensitive or reacts negatively to other products, it may be a sign that you're overwashing. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, try cutting back on the frequency of washing or using a gentler cleanser to see if it improves your skin's condition. Mistake number 2: not wearing sunscreen. Many teenage girls don't realize the importance of wearing sunscreen every day. Even if you don't spend a lot of time outdoors, you may still be exposed to UV rays through windows and other sources, so it's important to protect your skin by wearing sunscreen or using other forms of sun protection such as hats and protective clothing. Mistake number 3: touching your face. Teenage girls often touch their face frequently, which can transfer bacteria and oils from their hands to their face, leading to breakouts and other skin issues. To prevent acne, it's important to keep your hands away from your face as much as possible. If you must touch your face, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly beforehand. You should also avoid picking at or squeezing pimples, as this can cause further irritation and scarring. Mistake number 4: using harsh products. Teenage girls may use harsh products, such as acne treatments or exfoliants, in an attempt to clear up their skin quickly. However, these products can be too harsh for their sensitive skin and lead to irritation and dryness. For these reasons, it's generally recommended that teenagers use gentle, non-irritating skincare products that are specifically formulated for their skin type and concerns. Mistake number 5: not removing your makeup. Teenage girls may forget to remove their makeup before going to bed, which can clog pores and lead to breakouts. It's important to remove your makeup before going to bed. This can be done using a gentle cleanser, micellar water, or makeup remover wipes. After removing your makeup, You should follow up with a gentle facial cleanser to ensure that all traces of makeup and dirt have been removed from your skin. Overall, it's important for teenage girls to develop a proper skincare routine that includes gentle cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection. They should also avoid touching their face too often, use products that are appropriate for their skin type, and remove their makeup before going to bed. Your hair is an important aspect of your overall appearance, and taking care of it can help you feel confident and beautiful. Here are some tips on how to take proper good care of your hair. Tip number 1. Wash your hair regularly. It is important to keep your hair clean by washing it regularly. How often you should wash your hair depends on your hair type, but it is generally recommended to wash it every other day or every 2 to 3 days. Tip number 2. Don't overuse shampoo. When you use shampoo, it's important to use just the right amount for your hair type and length. Typically, a dime-sized amount is enough for short hair, while longer hair may require a bit more. It's also important to focus the shampoo on your scalp, as this is where most of the oil and dirt buildup occurs. Gently massage the shampoo into your scalp with your fingertips, and then work it through the length of your hair to the ends. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, making sure to remove all of the shampoo. Tip number 3. Condition your hair. After shampooing, use a conditioner to help keep your hair soft and manageable. When you apply conditioner to your hair, focus on the mid-lengths to the ends, and avoid applying it directly to your scalp. If you have particularly dry ends, you can apply a bit of conditioner to the very tips of your hair, but be careful not to use too much. Tip number 4. Brush your hair gently. Use a soft bristled brush or a wide tooth comb to gently detangle your hair. Avoid brushing your hair when it is wet, as it is more prone to breakage. Tip number 4. Get regular trims. While longer hair can be beautiful, it's important to remember that healthy hair is beautiful hair. Regular trims help maintain the health of your hair, which in turn can make it look even more beautiful. Makeup can be a fun way for teenagers to express themselves and enhance their natural beauty. However, it's important for teenagers to keep in mind that less is often more when it comes to makeup. Here is a tutorial to achieve this look. Start with a primer before anything else. Next is this foundation from Judy Doll. The texture of this foundation is like cream when you apply it. Avoid using too much heavy foundation because cakey makeup won't seem natural. Cover up your dark circles. Then set your makeup with a loose powder. Focus on the T-zone and other areas that tend to get oily. Look at that smooth and matte finish. The technique when doing your eyebrow is to first use an eyebrow mascara. Then use eyebrow powder to fill in the remaining part of the eyebrows. First, use the lightest color to lighten the brows. It is to let the eyebrows connect more naturally, and then gently bring to the end after finishing. For the eyeshadow base, use this beige nude color and spread it all over your eyelid. Don't forget your lower eyelid. Then touch it with your fingers. Get this light pink and apply in the middle and gently sweep it to the sides. Next, we'll use this mist pink color for the lower eyelids. Then use this darker pink color to deepen the lid. Spread it to the ends and blend it. Then on your lower lash line, take the deepest color, then draw a line to the root of the eyelashes. Then the corner of the eye to deepen the inner eye. Now let's draw the inner eyeliner. Look down at the mirror and wait for it to dry before you close your eyes. Draw them lightly. After the eyeliner, let's do the lashes. Simply apply these Korean-style artificial eyelashes to your natural eyelashes. For the egg yolk, take this grayish-brown color and draw a line under the eyes. Brighten it using a highlighter stick. Use a clean brush and add this color we used earlier and apply it at the back end. This will pull it a little and make it connect more naturally. Now add some contour on your nose. Take a small flame-shaped brush and apply it on. Apply the remaining powder on your chin and nose. Get this light apricot orange color for your lip. Look how glossy the lipstick is. So that is the final look of this very light everyday makeup look. For many teenage girls, fashion is extremely important, and developing a sense of style is a great way to experiment with self-expression, which is key for a teen girl progressing through adolescence. Here are a few tips to help you bring out your unique qualities. Tip number 1. Invest in quality basics. Building a wardrobe with a few quality basics, such as a well-fitting pair of jeans, a tailored blazer, and a classic white t-shirt, can help you create a variety of stylish outfits. Tip number 2. Layer your clothes. Layering can add depth and texture to your outfit. Try layering a denim jacket over a dress, or a cardigan over a t-shirt. Tip number 3. Invest in a good coat. A good coat can elevate any outfit and keep you warm during colder months. Choose a coat that is both stylish and practical. Tip number 4. Don't forget accessories for your hair. Hair accessories like headbands, scrunchies, and hair clips can add a fun and playful touch to your outfit. Remember, fashion is all about having fun and expressing yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and trends, and most importantly, wear clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable. Tip number 1. Keep your nails clean. Make sure to wash your hands regularly and remove any dirt or grime from under your nails. Tip number 2. Moisturize your hands. Use a good quality hand cream or cuticle oil to keep your nails and cuticles hydrated. Tip number 3. Avoid biting your nails. Biting your nails can lead to infections and damage to the nail bed. If you find it difficult to stop, try using a bitter-tasting nail polish to deter you. Tip number 4. Use a base coat. Before applying nail polish, use a clear base coat to protect your nails from staining and to help the polish adhere better. Tip number 5. Try new colors and designs. Nail polish is a fun way to express yourself, so don't be afraid to try different colors and nail art designs. In today's world, where social media and beauty standards can put pressure on teenagers to look a certain way, it's important to remember that true beauty comes from within. Adopting healthy lifestyle habits can not only improve physical health, but can also enhance natural beauty and boost confidence. Here are some lifestyle tips that can help you improve your self-care and enhance your natural beauty. Tip number 1. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for overall health and can help prevent dark circles, puffiness, and other signs of fatigue. Teenagers should aim for 8 to 10 hours of sleep per night. Tip number 2. Manage stress. Stress can have a negative impact on both physical and mental health. Teenagers can manage stress through activities such as yoga, meditation, or spending time with friends and family. Tip number 3. Take breaks from social media. While social media can be a great way to connect with friends and explore your interests, it can also lead to feelings of insecurity and inadequacy. Take breaks from social media when you need to, and remember that what you see online isn't always an accurate representation of real life. Tip number 4. Stay true to yourself. Don't let negative comments about your appearance change who you are or what you believe in. Stay true to yourself, and remember that you're valuable and worthy just the way you are.